Hi guys, this is Polar Bear Toy Review.
We are learning bike without training wheel.
This is my bike with the training wheel.
Yeah.
So we can go on daily rides on the trails.
So what we did is, we have another bike.
Yeah.
We take out its pedal and also take out the training wheels. Now, can you try it?
Yeah. So
Yes.
the first thing. Okay.
So what is the method? Can you tell me?
So the first thing you do is by walking on your bike with the tippy toes.
Tippy toes.
No tippy toes is going to be hard.
And then trying to lift your both feet.
Lift your both feet.
Okay,
fast,
go.
Fast like this.
Yeah. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Good job. Good job. We will keep on trying. Walk with the little, keep the feet up and make a balance. Let's go.
So last time I made it to 32 seconds. Let's see if I can beat that record.
Yes. All right. Go, buddy.
3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Whoa!
Oh, same time.
So another idea is when he's really fast, because this is a little steep parking. So around 5 evening time, let's go.
And day 2. So
Day 2. Keep the feet far and up.
2,
1, go.
go.
Feet up.
Right.
Feet up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 34, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38,
Round
2.
number 2. We skipped round number 1.
Yeah.
So I could practice.
Yeah.
So 3, 2,
Go.
1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Good job.
4 seconds.